Hello, it's time for another Boozang feature release. This is the 7.11 release, and as usual, you can find the release notes in the forum, and it's going to be a 7.11 release going to show up here on the right, and here you can get the details of this release. This one, as you've seen from previous feature releases, we've been focusing on improving the onboarding, the sign up, creating this much nicer management UI. Now we have started focusing back on the IDE, and one thing that has always annoyed me before is this our navigation we had before, which is more like a Jenkins-like navigation. We found this a little bit confusing and difficult when running big projects. So we took inspiration from Visual Studio Code and we created this tree-like navigation where all the tests are supported by test type first and then the alphabetic ordering. And you have now these very convenient, test creation icons up in the corner. And I think that's also something that makes it easier for new users to get to know the tool. Another thing we did before it was a lot of confusion with, am I on the feature side? Am I on the module side? The separation between Cucumber features and Boozang test steps. Well, now we separated this out in the sidebar where you have modules, Cucumber features, and AI features. For instance, when you import your OpenAPI spec, it's completely separated. And also that helps. So for instance, if I'm not running Cucumber, I can now opt out of that view and I don't have to see it. Another thing we did was that we took the cues from Visual Studio Code and we put the search on the side. So you have a search, which is a fuzzy search, and you also have a search and replace functionality here, which is super powerful and also kind of best practice. I'm going to go into these features in separate videos, but let us know what you think. There is one more thing I want to mention. We had some serious, when you were doing autocomplete on a test, you could have a problem with the autosave, and that has now been fixed as well. So one serious bug fix and also a new user interface. So let us know what you think about this new view, and also if you have any suggestions on how we can improve further.